May we have a
Tony,
response from
the
Mr.
question
Sutton?
I believe phoned in was whether or not one agreed with the philosophy that racism, white racism, is an anger on the part of whites because they're not black. I don't think that at all. I quite agree with my sister Angela Davis that racism is really a matter of exploitation. It's an economic thing, and whether it's in South Africa or South United States or Northern United States, it is a method of exploitation, and the exploitation does not really benefit the whites. That is not the white working class.
Maybe I did disservice in, and I'm sure I did now, in recalling the theory, because what Dr. Welsing said was that race was the dynamic around which the political and the social system was organized to oppress blacks.
Well,
That makes a difference.
Yes.
That does make a difference.
Yes, it does make a difference in the question.
Okay, can we have a short remark and then take the next question? Nelson?
Yeah, my comment was on the same question.